Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting lined up for you. Are you looking for ways to make money from the comfort of your home? Well, you're in luck, because in this video, we're going to share 10 hassle-free and legitimate methods to earn money from home. So, let's dive right in. Number 1, online surveys. First up, online surveys. Many companies pay for your opinions. Just sign up with reputable survey websites, share your thoughts on products, services, and even everyday topics. It's easy, and you can earn some extra cash in your free time. Number 2, freelancing. Are you good at writing, graphic design, or programming? Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients seeking your skills. Start small. Build your reputation, and watch your income grow. Number 3, virtual assisting. Businesses and entrepreneurs often need virtual assistants to handle administrative tasks. If you're organized and can manage schedules, emails, and data entry, this could be a perfect gig for you. Number 4, sell handmade crafts. If you're into crafting, why not turn your passion into profit? Sell your handmade goodies on platforms like Etsy. People love unique and personalized items. Number 5, remote tutoring. Share your knowledge and expertise by becoming a remote tutor. Online learning has never been more popular, and platforms like Chegg Tutors and VIPKid allow you to teach subjects you're passionate about. Number 6, stock photography. If you have a knack for photography, you can sell your pictures on stock photography websites like Shutterstock. Every time someone downloads your photo, you earn a royalty. Number 7, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn passive income. Partner with companies, promote their products using your unique referral link, and earn a commission for every sale made through it. Number 8, YouTube channel monetization. Hey, you're already on YouTube. Why not monetize your own channel? Once you hit the minimum requirements, enable ads on your videos and start earning through YouTube's partner program. Number 9, podcasting. Love talking and sharing ideas? Start a podcast. As your audience grows, you can monetize it through sponsorships, advertisements, or even by offering premium content. Number 10, online courses and ebooks. Lastly, share your expertise by creating online courses or writing ebooks. Platforms like Udemy and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allow you to reach a broad audience and make money from your knowledge. And there you have it, 10 hassle-free ways to earn money from the comfort of your home. Remember, building an online income takes time and effort. But with dedication, you can turn your home into a source of revenue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.